Welcome to Ritesh Sapra Vlogs. So today we're in the city of lakes, as they call it, in Udaipur, Rajasthan. So we're going to be checking in the Leela Palace. So I'll quickly show you the starting point. So we've just landed, and from the airport they've got us by taxis at the private jetty. So this is a small little private jetty. Innova's our luggage. And sorry, this is a private jetty. From here we need to take a boat and they take us to Leela. There our boat is arriving, and there it is. Wow. So they've had very nice cute seating arrangement. And wow. So we're all loaded up and they're just loading the luggage. And ये boat की wow.
We are loading the people in.
Loading the people in.
The two people on this side.
इसी boat में हमें ले जाएंगे straight up to Leela Palace. Unreal! This is amazing! This is all of us, super loaded. Yeah, ready?
Yeah. My hair.
I've got reminded of Venice. There was a quick 15-minute, it wasn't even 15 minutes, no less. 10 minutes. 10 minutes boat ride, and this is what the Oberoi, sorry, not Oberoi, Leela. This is what the Leela looks like. And हमारे वेलकम में थोड़ी शहनाइयाँ बज रही है. हेलो भाई साहब की जय हो, जय हो, जय हो, जय हो. Oh, thank you. Didn't realize. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And a small little ramp, and we straight. This is what the entry looks like of Leela. You enter, and there are rose petals. Hello. On a warm welcome drink,
It's okay,
we get
Arman. Chill.
fantastic champagne.
You hold my glass, okay? Hold it with me.
And we're ready for a picture.
I do it.
Rahul.
Alright, cheers! So this is where yesterday they gave us all the welcome champagne, everything. And this is their... Actually now I'm starting the entire tour of the hotel. It's been 2 days since we're here. और आज हम एकदम फ्री हैं तो मैं बोला आपको पूरा दिखा देता हूँ. Again, Lake Pichola. भाई साहब, this is their outdoor section. यहाँ आई थिंक अभी तक मैंने देखा नहीं कुछ होते हुए, बट ये लोग ने सिर्फ एक आउटडोर एरिया बनाया हुआ है, ब्यूटिफाई किया है. दिस इज़ देयर डाइनिंग रूम एरिया जो इनसाइड भी है, बट देव गॉट आउटसाइड सीटिंग इज़ वेल. तो यहाँ पूरे टेबल्स लगे होते हैं रात को, तो अगर आपको अंदर नहीं बैठना है तो बाहर बैठो. Apart from this, like I said, now this Leela resort has 2 restaurants. So one is this dining room which they call it, अंदर पूरा buffet है, and the second one is called the Sheesh Mahal. I'm gonna go from here. अब शीश महल जब सुना मैंने, मुझे तो लगा भैया पता नहीं क्या है, and they call it the fine dining. So I thought, wow, it's going to be something different. But apparently, so all this information is going to be helpful for those people who are planning to come here and they don't know what the hotel looks like. तो एक idea आ जाता है what to carry, how to dress up. And so if I've come here, remember, now this is their courtyard, and this is nothing but the Sheesh Mahal. So they are setting up tables for the night. Good morning. So it's basically the ambience that does all the work. So you're sitting just by the lake, and so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 tables only. That's why they get sold out very fast. This is the Leela. Okay, so the Sheesh Mahal has only Rajasthani cuisine. Much on that later, because aaj raat ki reservation hai, so we'll get to know what exactly they offer. From the Sheesh Mahal, now there is a place called the Guava Garden. Again, a lovely place. Just now, they have a lot of Instagrammable post. You know, so you can just come. You can click lovely pictures, and you can post them onto the gram. So this they call the Guava Garden. It's named after these guava trees. But फिलहाल तो कोई गुआवा दिखे नहीं मुझे इधर, एक भी नहीं है. और यहाँ है, so guava in Hindi is called Amrud. So they have a place called the Amrud Mahal. अब ये सुन के तो मुझे लगा यार मज़ा आ गई. एंड अमरूद महल में when they were giving me a tour, they said that wait on, let me just put it to myself. So ये आपने अमरूद महल देख लिया. यहाँ मुझे कहते हैं that you can have dinner while sitting in the Amrut Mahal, and they'll charge me 50,000 per head. So me and my wife, 1 lakh अगर हम भरे per night or per meal, I'd rather say, unlimited. जितना आपको जो चाहने का दिल है वो शेफ़ आएगा, प्रॉपर सर्विस मिलेगी एंड आपको वो खिलाएंगे. तो अब मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ कि अमृत महल क्या लगता है. सो ये है अमृत महल, एंड दिस इज़ the lovely place I was talking to you about. Ignore those 2 pigeons. Pidgey. So they'll clean this up if there's anyone having in the night. And so there's just a balcony where you can. So it's basically the ambience. और कुछ नहीं है. It's the ambience जिसका वो चार्ज कर रहे हैं. But yes, खाना आपको will cost you 1 lakh a night. So when you walk a little more ahead from the Guava Garden, they have their swimming pool. Yeah, so in my entire stay अभी तक मैंने किसी को नहीं देखा है using the swimming pool because the water is so chilly. In the daytime though, it's in your late teens. So right now the temperature, oh no, sorry, it's 24 degrees right now. And it's 11:30 in the morning. So this is the swimming pool. This is the swimming pool, and we have a lovely family sitting here. Saji Sat Sri Akal.
How are you?
Oh sorry, I met a family. वहाँ पे सरदार जी फैमिली थी तो उनसे बातचीत हो गई तो मेरा रह गया. And look at this. तो बस यहाँ एक स्विमिंग पूल है. Then there are those rooms. हमारी कल स्पा की अपॉइंटमेंट है एंड वी आर गोइंग टू गो टू द स्पा इन द मॉर्निंग. यहाँ से जाओ एंड द ओनली थिंग नाउ दैट्स लेफ्ट हियर, आई टेल यू, देयर इज वन माइनस पॉइंट. हाँ, इसमें मुझे बच्चों के लिए कुछ भी नहीं मिला. दिस इज नॉट अ लॉट ऑफ एक्टिविटीज़ फॉर द किड्स. दैट वाज वन थिंग व्हिच आई थॉट, लाइक देयर इज दिस प्लेस वेयर दे कैन प्ले बैडमिंटन. And now I'm just going to walk you to the gym, and yeah, that's about it. और कुछ नहीं है. थोड़ा अगर बच्चों की एक्टिविटीज़ डाल देते हैं ना, so the kids can actually be comfortable and they could play. And finally we are at the gym. So yeah, pretty much weights आ गए and yeah, playing music. Okay. Oh yeah, gym ke yahan they also have a steam that you can use. This is the dining room where most of their buffet is. I've come at an odd hour तो अभी तक खाना चालू भी नहीं हुआ, कोई भी नहीं है, खाली है. बट सिर्फ आपको दिखा देते हैं एक बार. ये इनका डाइनिंग रूम और बाहर इनकी आउटडोर सीटिंग विच दे स्टिल सेटिंग अप फॉर लंच. देन देयर इज just a selection of wines, champagne, private seating. ये बहुत प्यारा बनाया हुआ है. Lovely glasses. Ooh, didn't realize they moved the Christmas tree inside. So this is a indoors veranda of sorts, and Mr. Shah is right here doing his calls. यहाँ इनकी इवनिंग को परफॉर्मेंस होती है. So this is basically open to the sky. यहाँ कुछ नहीं, इसलिए थोड़ी सी ठंडक है इधर. And this black thing that you can see is the staircase. I think ये कुछ new build किया होगा इन्होंने, which goes right up. So round and round you walk. Yeah. Oh, 9 degrees में हालत बुरी है. Just ordered for a cappuccino. और यहाँ थोड़ी ठंड में बैठेंगे. I'm the first one. अभी तक नाश्ते के लिए कोई नहीं आया. मैं भी सिर्फ कॉफ़ी पीऊँगा. उसे दिखा रहा हूँ क्या है यार ये एरिया. This is the outside courtyard area. And this is what they convert into Sheesh Mahal in the evening for dinner. So here they serve authentic Rajasthani food. So you need to do a reservation as soon as you land, or when you get to the hotel, you tell them one of the nights that you'd like to have dinner here, because they have limited seating. It's just by the lake. So हमारी आज रात की बुकिंग है यहाँ पे. And we're going to try and explore what this little staircase is and where it leads to. We haven't come here yet. It's like a terrace of sorts. Oh wow. Fantastic. It's a terrace for yoga. Lovely. So this is their spa, and I'll show you the reception area. This is entirely fixed. This is their private swimming pool, so people who are using the spa facilities can come and use this pool also. But we've come in December and the water is chilly, so I have not even bothered to get into this. It's that cold. All these tents that you see are private treatment rooms. Oh, so this whole area is a spa. Oh, we've come back to the mandir. So this is 4 centuries old mandir. It's a big property that way. Done up these cute little things on the wall. Again, one treatment room. Wow, it's amazing, yeah. So this is the tent. We're just having a look right now. Ooh, wow.
This is the living area.
Also, this is an experience in itself.
Yes, sir. Definitely.
So that's why you're booking for. Okay, hang on, let me just show the viewers. Okay, so basically this is their living room. So 1 hour of spa if you book, followed by 1 hour of total relaxation, subject to availability. That was nice. So you basically get the whole tent private, and it's very good experience if you're using it as a couple. And if the weather is nice, you get to use a private pool as well. There is a what? So are these jacuzzis?
Yes, it is. Right now they are in the maintenance process.
So jacuzzis are in maintenance, but anyway, it's so cold. Yeah, so this is the private spa. So in case any of you are wondering what the charges for the spa are, this is their menu, and this is exclusive of 18% government taxes. Small little room tour of what the Leela feels like as soon as you enter.
Oh my god.
And this is like a walk-in wardrobe, a bubble bath separately, a bath tub. It's gonna be insane. As soon as you come, you have
Best hotel ever. Oh my god. Best hotel room ever.
okay. So it's the best hotel room ever for this little champ.
Look at this mirror. I've never had such a big mirror in my life in a hotel room. And there's a small little balcony.
There's a balcony?
Yeah, with pigeons.
Oh, so you can't open, you don't go down. Oh, bad.
And the pool is there.
So yeah, this in short is the room. The one thing I wished, if these guys are watching the video, that they really look at is the balcony. I so wanted to enjoy sitting out, but just couldn't. So this is something that really needs to be looked at. So there's a few bits that my wife would like to add about the hotel, especially the interiors.
Well, I love the interiors of Leela. Most of the hotels have a very nice lobby. They have a very good restroom down, but once you come up to the room, you see that suddenly the decor changes, and it's not as fancy as it is down. But over here they have beautiful paintings all over the room, the lobby, the tables, the mirrors, the bedding, the carpets, the tables. Everything is really high end, and it doesn't look shabby at all. It's well cleaned, well maintained, and it's extremely good. Like right from the wallpapers to the bathrooms to the sinks to everything, the showers, the tub, everything is just fantastic. Hats off to you, Leela.
And it's finally time to say goodbye to this amazing place. We're on our way to the airport and checking out. And yeah. So see you later, guys. If there is anything that you wish to know, you can ask in the comments and I'll gladly be of help.